Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm going to do an airsoft review on this Aimtop CO2 SVD Dragonoff. And the box it came in, pretty standard, normal, and all the documents are inside. And in here's just some crap, polystyrene, foamy stuff. And the manual is a BMW for the spring version, which helps you put the stock on and the hub, and that's about it. And I got a thank you from Evike, so that's where I purchased it from. And in here just goes through different sponsors they have, 20% off, discount coupon for my next purchase. Goes about EAGs and all the sort of stuff that they sell. And then because it is from Taiwan, I don't know if you can see that, but all the symbols there are in symbols. There's only hop, and that's about it. Then everything else is diagram. And then how to take the gun to bits, which is very useful, very helpful. You just need to know where it all goes back together. That one. And the other one in here is just a pamphlet about Aimtop and different upgrades and stuff that you can purchase from Aimtop themselves. But now we've had a look at that. Throw that away. And this is what I bought. It is, well, I bought it in the wood and metal. You can get it in OD, black, green and wood. And it's straightforward. Everything on it is metal, absolutely everything, apart from your wood. And your stock. But the scope you can purchase from Evike. Don't know how much it were, but I bought this one off eBay for about £70. Don't know how much is that in dollars, but it does not come with a gun. And it's straightforward as a gas blowback. This is CO2. And the CO2 goes in the mag underneath here. You just push this button and slide it back. And then you unscrew that. Pop your 12 gram CO2 inside, turn it back up, you'll hear it hiss, turn it back even more, then you're good to go. But there's one problem I have encountered with this. It likes its CO2. It really does like its CO2. You probably get out of a 12 gram 2.5 mags of rounds, and that's about it. So it is going to cost you on CO2 to run it, but apart from that, the feet per second and the accuracy is just amazing. Really is amazing. And in just a second I'll load it up, we'll get a chrono of it, see how we go on in a minute. Hi, I'm back from loading up the mag, and there's a couple of things I forgot to mention. Obviously the first one is the bolt. And the bolt is just like the spring powered one. You just pull it back, pull it forward, nice and snappy, and then fire. And then that, obviously gas blow back, recoils back, forward, fire again, and it's semi-auto. The select switch is safety up, fire down, and that's pretty much it. Then you've got your cheek riser, that's detachable just like any other Dragonoff, and you've got your top receiver. You just push that down, that pops up, slide it back, and you can get to all your internals, and it's straightforward to lube everything up. Just two 2 bolts on the back, very similar to the spring powered one. That comes apart and you can get to absolutely everything without taking anything out. And then that's back. But when it does come in the box, the stock is detached. You have to attach it yourself. In order to do that, you take the top receiver off, remove 2 bolts on either side, take the top spring slide, you leave that inside, and then there's underneath that there's an extra screw. 2 screws at back here and 1 just where your other 2 bolts that you're taking out, and then put it back in. But be careful, because the screws are not that strong, to be pretty honest, but it's just to keep that in place, and once it's on, it's on. And then you just assemble it back, good to go. I think we're good to go. I'll be back in a second so I can get ready for my chrono. I'm back. I've loaded up, gassed up, got my chrono set up, and then we're away. Give it a slap, nothing wrong with that. And then you just pull back, loaded. My first 5 BBs are with .2s. Because it's a brand new CO2 shell, it will be firing quite hot. After the first couple of shots, it does drop down. Then after the first 5 on 2s, the second lot are on 3s. And that will give you a much better accuracy, range, and a lot better feet per second. And you'll just reach out and touch anyone before they can touch you. You ready? Now on 3s. Now we are on 0.3 gram BBs. Just because it looks cool, that should cut back and stay back. There you are. And to release it, when it's got BBs in, it just pulls back, up you are, bang another mag in, and you're away. I will recommend buying more than, because 1 mag comes with the gun. On evike it does give you a choice to buy more than 1, and I would recommend buying more than 1 because they only take 22 rounds, 1 in the chamber, and it's just a lot better with mag reloads. Saves you up on filling up on CO2, because now I've only got another 2 more mags worth out of it, because I only put half a mag in, I mean 5 and 5. So yeah, I mean I've got another mag, so 2 mags I should be set. But there is one hick that I will have to say. The only way you can load these mags is with the special speed loader the gun comes with. I haven't seen any more on evike, but I'm sure you'll be able to buy them somewhere. You just pop straight onto the top that way, use a speed loader, fill that up, grab your sticky my bobby, push it in, take it off, loaded, magging, you're away. But if there's any other way of loading these mags, please let me know, because that's the, I mean, I've tried getting a speed loader, try and fit it in that way, but it needs something on the back to push it down. I've tried using this type of adaptation, which it's the exact same, but it just doesn't quite reach to go over and on. It just doesn't quite reach to reload it. So yeah, that's my review. Any other questions, please put in the comments below. And it is a fantastic airsoft gun. I cannot knock it at all. So wonderful piece. Wood, beautiful. The metal, very sturdy. Scope, it's fantastic. And it's just an absolute machine on the field. So yeah. Thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe, can do. I will be posting more up on to YouTube whenever. Have a good time airsofting. Take care.